Workout number 1. 3 to 4 sets, 2 sets if you're a beginner. 8 Aussie rows, 10 push-ups, 6 reps per leg, reverse lunge, overhead press. Then 10 knee huggers. You're gonna rest 10 to 12 seconds in between exercises. And when done all 4 exercises, rest 60 to 120 seconds after those. Get after it. First exercise, Aussie rows. You're just gonna follow your reps on your program, so an Australian row. One way to do it, I got a rack. You can use a TRX. You can use rings from the wall, anything that you can do an inclined row, and that's really an Australian row. Shoulder width grip, down, nice straight body, toes up, row, here. Row, nice and controlled form. I'm trying to touch my chest to the bar. Trying to keep your head in line. Try not to poke. The incline can go as high as you want to attain your 8 reps, 8 really good reps, and it can go lower to challenge your strength. So the height is how much weight you have on your back and on this bar. Aussie row. Okay, next we have push-ups. Now, listen, the tester challenge isn't about going all out. This will be based on your level. So I want you to have really good push-ups. So if you have push-ups, go from the floor. I don't want pain. I don't want any failure whatsoever, but just failure maybe in technique. So where do you start? If you're laying on the floor, measure your hands. Your thumb is outside your shoulder and your elbow is mid-back. Not hands up here. This is not push-ups. Back here. Once you're in that position, you can roll to your knees, back up. Your chin is way past your fingers. Now squeeze your butt, and then lower down your chest, and then to the top. Look at the shoes. They're flat. This is what I see most people do with their push-up, and they rock back, rock forward, rock back. This is weight off. All the weight stays forward. Now, that's the real push-up. You can go from a box and go neutral grip if your shoulders bug you. Just like that. If you want to go from your knees, this is fine because it's a tester challenge, but it's not a lot of core challenge for you. But if there's injuries in the shoulders and the low back, going from your knees is fine. Again, start from this position, measure from your knees. Here, creep forward a bit. Then lower, up, lower, up. Okay, next exercise is a dumbbell reverse lunge, so stepping backwards into shoulder press. Okay, here we go. You're gonna have the dumbbells here, and now you're gonna just step back, and then as you come up, plant your leg, shoulder press, lower down, everything in control. Step back, plant your leg, shoulder press from the front. Step back, plant your leg, shoulder press. Here, down, plant, shoulder press, here. Okay, now we got some abs knee huggers. Goal of the knee hugger is to not grab your knees, it's to hug around them. So you're just tapping your fingers. So find a balance point and you're gonna lean back. Here's your core. Open up, balance, bring it in, tap, fake hug. Open up, bring it in, tap. And you want about that speed. Nice and controlled speed. And how far can you go back and balance on your butt? Knee huggers.